Hey everyone, this is Ed Brzee with BoomerTech Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at a very neat feature on the iPhone 6s and newer, with the exception of the brand new iPhone XR, something called 3D Touch. A lot of people don't even know anything about it. They've been using their phones forever and don't know what 3D Touch is all about. Essentially, 3D Touch is just a firmer touch holding on one of your icons. And I'm going to show you right here on my phone icon. I'm pressing on it and look what happens. It brings up extra options that you would otherwise have to hunt for within the app. In this case, in the phone option, create new contact, view most recent voicemail, and so on. I'll do a 3D touch on my Gmail, and it brings up several options, including starting a new message right here. And then finally, 3D touch on my text messages brings up 3 recent messages that I could then respond to, and also gives me the compose icon to start a new message. Here's where it really works, so I think it's really useful here. You've got a great opportunity for a really special photograph that you want to take with a grandchild or a sunset, and your phone is in your purse, your pocket, or your backpack. You want to get it out and get it going fast. Simply do the 3D touch and hold a little bit, and look what pops up. It gives you very quickly an opportunity to start recording video or to take a photo or even do a selfie right there. I'm going to do that one more time. Here's 3D touch on your camera. Very helpful. Probably the aspect that I like, the feature that I like the best of using 3D touch is when it turns your keyboard into a trackpad. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to just open up a message here, and I'm just going to type in some random letters. But here's where it comes in. So I've got my keyboard. I'm doing the 3D touch on the keyboard, and look what happened. The letters and numbers are gone. And now if I keep my finger down, I can move very quickly along my message or along anything that I might need to change. Very useful. I'm going to do it again. Just a 3D touch on the keyboard turns it into a trackpad where you can move the cursor quickly through text that you've written. Very useful. This works as well on third-party apps, shortcuts, things like, let's take a look at Google Maps. It opens up the 3D touch. Let me do that again. The 3D touch brings up places that I've been, sharing Google Maps, and so on. It works very well with other third-party apps, like some social media apps like Instagram. There we go. I can create a new post right from there. Pinterest does the same, and so does Facebook and other social media. So it works with a large number of apps. Probably one of the most unique aspects we'll do next time in photos. It's called Peek and Pop, and then swipe up for more options in photos, and we'll show you how that works. In the meantime, try this out. Try your 3D touch out and see how it works. This is Ed Brzee with BoomerTech Adventures.